lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight.
Good morning, March 3rd, 2026. God damn it. Really hate that thing, man. All right, economic events today. John, remind yourself, FOMC at 9:55. Williams speaks. 10:10 economic optimism. No, I don't care about that. Ward's total vehicle sales, 10:15. Probably don't care about that. And Kashkari speaks at 11:45. That might be of interest. All right, down 522. I hate days like this. Drop's already been made. Oh, man. NASDAQ is coming down to support at about 24,150 area. I'm going to put the 24,000. $150. There we go. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, voice connected. Test 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there we go. Okay, bond suites loaded. $22. This guy's ready. Test 1, 2, 3. Okay, just wanted to see. I think my audio is working again. There we go. I think that's better. Yeah, Michael, let me know when you get in. Good morning. Hey, you want to do Discord this morning? You want to get on? You can talk me off the ledge. Keep me under control. Yep, loud and clear. This way you can keep me from taking too many fucking trades. Just say, slow down. Ugh. What do you got going? Oh. Yeah. No.
I've got to like paper and cardboard and because anything I eat that's overly spicy or oily or greasy or whatever.
Well, man, then you're not going to want to know what I had for dinner last night.
Yeah.
I made some. It's called sheet pan enchilada.
Yeah, I was actually going to say you probably had an enchilada.
Yeah. I'll tell you what. Hold on a second. Let me check something.
Cheese and sauce.
Yeah. No, plus I had trying to hear if I can hear you on YouTube.
I'm used to mine, so you mute you and they told me to.
Yeah. So all it is corn tortilla, meat with taco seasoning, and red enchilada sauce with cheese, and I flooded it with jalapenos.
Yeah.
Oh.
I could eat that if I took away sauce.
Yeah.
Maybe didn't do too much cheese.
Yeah.
But man, my stomach was bad.
Yeah.
So bad. And I don't know what I ate. I don't think I ate anything that was that bad.
Yeah. Huh.
Oh, what a rough night. You haven't taken any trades, have you? No.
Yeah. No. No, I'm gonna. It's okay. So I'm gonna play the 2-minute pre-market, and then I'm going to wait for TCS, and I was going to try something real quick, but I don't want to do it. And then I'm only going to take my 2-minute or the 20 EMA on the 5-minute. Either get above it, like right now, I'd be in a trade, right at 537. So right now, if we get back above 537, I'll go long. Well, yeah, after the 2-minute pre-market fires, and yeah, and that's about it. I'll wait for that one. TCS would be in a long right now, so it will not take a trade if we go the long. Oh, I'm on the 2-minute. There we go. Yeah.
May not be, but it's getting close to the open now. So.
Yeah. Okay, so we're in the 2-minute pre-market candle right now.
I'm gonna play it slow just because.
So am I. Yeah, I am not going to go willy-nilly and take fucking 50,000 trades. I got Patrick on in the background. So I don't know how much I don't know how long I can last with him. Just too obnoxious.
I hear you there. I hear you there.
Oh, and my neck is killing me, man. Oh, hold on. Oh my God, man. It's worse today. It is worse today, man. I mean, I can barely put my head to the right. In any sudden movements, there's just pain.
Not funny.
No.
All right. We're 30 seconds away.
Okay. Bot suite.
Right. 8 seconds away.
There we go. There we go. Oh, took me out right away. Taking some quick losses. Yep.
Open 5. Look at that. Mine inside bar in 5 minutes.
Yep.
I took a long open right on the open, which I guess shouldn't have.
All right, I'm out. Good long. I think picked up like 40. So I'm back to at least a little positive.
I think 2 minutes was actually good. It just you just caught a little whip there.
Yeah. So this is the move that I was talking about, right? Something I'm working on, and especially on the open, is when we break that candle that goes above that 20 EMA on the 5-minute, is you take that long. I mean, that's almost 100 points straight up. Okay, let me get rid of this one. There we go. I don't need him anymore, other than to record it, but I'll do that another time. All right, we came up to VWAP. We're above the 20 EMA, came up to VWAP. We've got, my target was 605, and we exceeded that to 627. Now it's just a matter of how much do they want to retrace from last night or from yesterday, right? So if you see this big move here, yeah, this big move here, the question will be is how much do they want to retrace it up? So I would probably go from here down to here. So what did we do? I think we hit the 38.2 or pretty close to it. That would have been 627. We got up to 627, right? Oh, 634, sorry. And it could be that they went up from here. No, that'd be more. Here, let me figure this out real quick. I'm not going to do anything here anyway. Okay, there's the high, so this would be the low. We didn't get up to the 50, did we? All right, I'm going to have to check this to see. Nope. So my point is still here. So my guess is we continue up a little bit more, at least up to 34. Oh no, that's only the 23.6. All depends on really where that 0 point is. Maybe I go to a higher time frame. No, it's staying. All right, the higher time frame would put it at 61. Well, 15-minute chart. So let me go from there. Let's go to fibs. So I'm going from 25.062 to the low, and the 38.2 is going to be at 35. So where I had it. Here's I could probably put this on all charts for temporarily. Oh, okay, can't do that. What?
I try to short it up here once and it stopped out for me. Just can't play with the tight stop, so I stopped.
Nope. So Fibonacci, let's see, from the opening. Oh, we already made this session lows, huh? Dang it. So from cash session. Yep.
Well, we have to come down to what, 471 if they want to 38.2.
Oh, you're right. So it is a red 5-minute candle. So I'd be looking for something around 5. Yeah. What do you got? 571? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yep.
471.
Yeah. But I would come up to 571 and look for a retracement up to here.
Oh, okay.
And look for a rejected. Yeah. Either 571 to 584, somewhere in there. There you go. Now, if they keep going up here. Yeah, right there. So now that it might be no trade. I don't know. I still would probably take this short if we come back down. Hopefully I don't just get dinked. But no, that we're strong. Especially if we go above that 100% line. Because right now we haven't closed yet. Okay, I'm going to get hit at 91, I think. I was going to try to hide behind 93, see if it'll hold me. Oh, shit. Let's see, 37 point ATR. Oh, I'm on the wrong account. That's why you can't see it. I had yeah, never mind. It's mute. So that's a failed 5-minute. Okay, so 634 was my original target. We overshot it. That's fine. We're going to go higher. Are they going to do what they did yesterday? Or are they going to psych everybody up to think that's what they're going to do?
That wouldn't surprise me.
Yep. Oh, I went from the wrong one. I didn't go up high enough. There we go. All right, so we definitely hit the 38.2 here. I'm putting it on the 5-minute chart. That's what I govern everything by. So I've got another 5 minutes. Let's see where it lands. If we close above that 38.2, above 636, then I got to believe we're going to go to the 50 or 61.8. My guess is they'll close below 636 on the 5-minute. We got 43 seconds to find out. Oh. Okay, let's get rid of this so you guys can see something. Let's see if I can hang it.
We came up to Bull's last stand. Rejected.
So 25061. Thank you. Okay, got a strong 15-minute candle here. We've got 4 minutes left on this 15-minute. So are we rejecting off the 38.2 here? But I'd be watching this 15 here. 4 minutes left. Oh. You know, based on this candle closing up this strong in the 15, I got to kind of favor along a little bit. But we did hit that 38.2 there, so this could be a just a flat out rejection down. Typical retracement off this. Would be something like this. So I'd be looking for 474, 475. Here, let's put some lines here. 475 and then also the 61.8, which I don't think we would come down that far if we're going to keep going up. So the two lines I usually look for are the 38.2 and the 50%. There you go. In fact, I would just get rid of this. Yep, I like it. Let's see if we can come down here to round 21. See if we can hold this 5-minute 20 EMA. We've got 1 minute 33 seconds left on the 15. Okay, so we came down to the 20. I really would like to touch that 22. That would give me a good confidence level in going back up. May not get it. Got a minute left on the 15, on this 15-minute candle. So putting these on my chart down here. Okay. Well, that's not very bullish on this candle, right?
Wow.
Yep.
I'm gonna work it now.
Yep. It's holding. Now, any close below this 20 EMA, and I'm going to take it short. If we close back above it, I probably, since we took out this 38.2 here, this is what I'm going to be looking for, Michael. Is we're going to look for, here, I'll put it over here, but I would look for hitting there, and then for the move back up to probably here. There. To up here. Bam. And then bam. So let's see what happens. We're holding. All right, we got a new 15-minute. 2 minutes holding. Oh, fucker. Come on.
Another 1 minute.
Yep. So 3 seconds. I'll take the long. Okay, got one off, 20 points. Got the next one off for 40 up there at 420. I'll go ahead and take this one off there at 89.
I just can't enter these trades with a 10-point stop.
Yeah, you see how quickly I moved mine.
Yeah, it's like the candle just wiggles around and yeah.
Yep. Okay, so this is the 38.2 from the move from the bottom, from down here, from zero line, from this morning at 622. As long as we hold this, we're going back up. So my targets would be 715 and then up there at 796. Now, obviously no guarantee it's going to make it up there. But here's the, if we can keep these in line somewhat, those red lines. Okay, so what I can do now is I'll take this. Let's see if I put one here. Oh, no, I don't want that. Let me get that out of the way. I can do, oh, I need time. Let's do, I'll do tomorrow. There we go.
I'm just gonna wait for things to like. Yep. This is never a place. as I go through and I try to trade this first 20, 30 minutes.
Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this. Here's my lines right here, the 38.2, the 50, and the 61.8. This was the 38.2 of the move up from here. Now, if we drop this and then drop this one, then obviously we're heading down. I don't like the 15-minute coming back, even though it's pretty new. It's 11 minutes in. As long as we don't take out the previous low, we will still hold for the long. But now I'm going to play, if we close below this 20 EMA, which we got 1 minute left. Oh, I didn't know my fucking picture was in the way. There we go. So if we close this candle below this 20 EMA, then I'll take that short. Oh, fuck. Probably should have just taken a short right at the break. Fucking shit. That's going to be too big. It's going to be too much of a, where are we at? 60. This guy's probably going to get swept here off the low, but I told myself I'm playing this trade every time. Okay, back up, tested the 1 minute weighted. This is what I was worried about, is the sweep. You sweep that prior candle low and then head back up, take everybody out. That's okay. I will take the short up here. Oh, never mind. I can't even get in. Okay, looks like Sim TCS is going to take a short. Not Sim TCS, but TCS.
Yeah.
Okay. Took the short. Maybe. Well, you can take TCS just took a short here at 527, 529. And targets of 42 and 76. Right now, the stop loss, is 112. I'm not taking 112 point stop loss. It would be tough for me to take this 90. But I'm going to go ahead and take a 50. I don't really want to do it, but the ATR is 50. Yeah, and I don't like this 15-minute candle either. I said I was going to let it play out. Yep. All right, I'm going to take one off there at 62. Just to reduce my risk in case we go back up. $42-point target and a 76-point target. I'd love to get both of them. Okay, if we come down below 15-minute opening range, I'll go to break even, or maybe even try to get some. Because we are having a hard time getting back below this 20 EMA. Come on, let's go. Let's get on down to 486. Okay, I'm going to lock some in right here on target 2. For target 2. Oh, come on. Give me 500 and I'll lock in 10. Oh. Come on, drop the opening range. All right, I'm going to take one off here. I'll lock in 21. Come on, one plunge. Just one plunge. There you go. One's off. 42 points on that one. I added another, I locked in 21 more points, so roughly, give or take. That target was about 85. So if we can get down below 472, I'll lock in 85. Because I would like to lock in 2 target ones at least. They were really close. Oh, come on. Drop previous day low there at 477. Oh, what the hell happened? My computer just locked up. Everything froze momentarily. All right, I'm going to lock in 503. So at least I'm guaranteed 24 points. Not guaranteed, but it'll be somewhere in that range. We get back down below. Oh. Yep, I'm out. All right. No news. No. 1010, there's some economic optimism, but it's low. Ward's total vehicle sales at 1015. Okay, still not bad. Not bad.
Are you got a position going there still?
No. Nope. I don't think so. No, they're all zeros. Yep, they're all zeros. Nope, we're in cool down mode on TCS right now. So this was the trade.
Weird, like it shows me the last screen shows you that you are
Positions. No. No, they're all zeros.
now okay, yeah, now that it's really weird.
Okay, 28 was the entry. What are we doing here? I'm going to jump back in on a short. That's where that target 2 would be. Let me go to a 1 minute. There we go. Oh, come on, stay back down, fucker. Still think it's a good entry right there. Yeah. Okay. Bear targets 2 at 371. So, damn it, I wanted to be in that trade.
That 371 dead target 2, you see where that's where we bounced at 6:30 this morning.
Yeah.
6 this morning.
Yep.
Wow. Good ticker.
Yep. I think they want to revisit take out the, you know, the lows. So we've got 446 and 369. Right now, SPY's holding up at, oh, that was the 10 o'clock. Yep, 10 o'clock spike. SPY's holding up at pre-market low. Come on, baby. This is still a short for me right here at 89. I just don't know if I can put my stop big enough or get out of the way fast enough. Come on. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's get a move down. Damn it. Wow. One more time. Oh. Okay, SPY's holding up still at the pre-market low. Boy, my fucking Thinkorswim is not reacting. Huh? Yeah. Yep. Oh, come on. Leave me alone up there. Drop down. Fuckers. I'm going to try one more time. Could have just waited 2 seconds. Okay, I'm going to set for 20 points. All right, I got to watch it. We're above that 20-minute or that 5-minute EMA. Yeah. Okay. Okay, SPY's holding the pre-market low at 672.24 right now. Oh shit. Yeah, I can't even place an order. Yeah, it's frozen. No, my on my phone, the Thinkorswim app. Wow, they must be that busy. Yeah, I can't play this with 50-point stop because I think I'm playing.
I'm stopping for now.
Yeah.
Because I have to trade it with big stops, and I don't really want to take 50-point stops.
No, I think I'm in. I think I'm heading the right direction. Let me try one more time because we might plunge down here. Let me just try. Yeah, that's the question. Yeah, fuck you. All right, so we're holding yesterday's pre-market low. No, on yeah, SPY, but also 24,477 is yesterday's low on NQ.
Oh, right, correct. Previous day's low.
Yep.
477.
Yep. And we're holding that. I'm trying to get into SPY puts, but I'm still spinning. Fucking shit.
Those puts must be crazy expensive.
Yeah, I had to go down to 665 to get under $1. Gosh damn it. Oh, come on. Don't fucking. This is ridiculous. They are fucking around. All right, I'm going to just take the stop out. Ooh. Come on, let me in. Nope. Come on down. Nah, you fuckers are going to take me.
If you look at the market maker move, expected move.
Yep.
For the week.
Yep.
We just wicked the downside.
Oh. I'm going to take a stop here.
So the shorting down here might be
Ill-advised.
yeah, I mean, I don't know. I mean, it's definitely riskier, but yeah, we are on the expected move for SPY.
Yep.
Below weekly expected move. We're 1 point below. That's kind of like the ultimate portion.
So maybe it's a good thing I can't. My SPY's just spinning. Yeah, even my stuff's not updating. None of my numbers are updating.
Yeah. Mine's working, but mine's on the computer, so.
Okay. Shut it down and reloaded it. Okay, like I said, probably a good idea. I didn't get them. Now they're updating. Okay. Okay, so watching for a close here. I got 27 seconds. If we can close above that 20 EMA, I'll take the long. Okay, we did not close. You can maybe go back up to VWAP. Okay, I'm going to wait for, I told myself I was going to wait for the candle closes.
I'll be right back.
Yep. So just waiting now. Here's the 20 EMA for the 5-minute. And I'm just waiting for either a close above it. We're just getting wicked out here, so I'm not interested. With the 51 point stop, I'm just going to wait.
this is what keeps Apex in business.
That's right. Exactly right.
Whew.
Okay, you got a minute 9 left on the 15-minute. I don't like anything. This could just be a little bear flag. Well, big bear flag. That's what it looks like on SPY. Okay. So technically, for me, 489 was still the short. Let me see. The low is 490, so 489. And so far, 489, it got 30 points. Even if you had to take out some big numbers, man, it's for the stops. Let's try it one more time here. I'll just shoot for 20 here. See if we can take out the low. Got to take out yesterday's, we got to close below yesterday's low. So far, every time we've bounced through it once, twice, 3 times. This is the 4th time. Bear target 1. Okay. Just take something. I got to take something out of this. Let's go for 86. Shit, can't get much. I mean, I guess I could take 10. 15. I can't even get 15. Let's shoot for 405. We can get past bear target 1 here. Might get a nice little push down. There we go. Come on, get past it. One more time. Okay, no surprises to the upside. Come on, stay down. I can go to 56 is too close. If I go to 66, That'll give me 20. Okay, there's 50 points. Come on, baby, give it to me at 405. I'll lock in. We're at 86, so I'll lock in 30. Should probably lock in 40, huh? If we can get below 30, I would lock in 46. Okay, I'm going to lock in 46. So at least I locked in 40. I'm going to shoot for that bear target 2. Come on, baby, get on down there. What do we get down to? 19. So we passed the 21. Let's see if we can. The next opposition is going to be 13. So from 53, I'll go down to 33. And the reason for that is right around 30, 31, 32, 33 is kind of like a holder for me. Same as 21, and then the same as 13. So we just passed the 30, or yeah, I'm going to keep it at 34 for right now. We could just plunge, man. You know, the ultimate target is for me is 140, 150. Now, we're not going to get there on this run, right? But we could take a big chunk out of it. All right, there's 400, so I'll go down to 21, 24. I started at 86, so 86 would be 100 points. I'll go ahead and take, here's the thing, I'm thinking we probably even come down here to 69. You know, that was the low. So my guess is they're going to at least take that out. Okay. How much do I want to give up? That's the question, right? Always the question.
85 points already, so.
Yeah. So I'm willing to give up 20 right now. I doubled my SPY puts.
I was thinking about that expected move thing. Because it's a weekly expected move.
Yeah.
You can get the bounce tomorrow.
Yeah.
And that's the problem with playing.
Yep.
Same day options.
Agree.
So.
Yep. Okay, so we're fumbling around here at 400. This low here is 370. I'm at 375. I'm going to take 375. Okay, there's 100 points. Pretty close to it. Actually, we did get 100 points at 84. Yeah, close enough. I'm getting ready to lock in. Ooh. Ooh. There we go. I'm going to lock in 406. That'll lock in 80. Yeah, I'll just take that 80. There you go. All right, took the 80. Good with that. Guess I could have just took the 20 or the 100 pointer. Called it good. That's all right.
Are you out of everything?
Yep, I'm out.
Must be a bit of a delay because I still see you have a position, but I think it's just because.
Yep.
Behind you.
Yeah, which I should be pretty close. If you just click to your right of your chart, you should be, yeah, because my chart, when I go live on YouTube, I grab the scroll bar and put it all the way to the right. And that way I know. So if I go 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Oh, fuck, I'm frozen. Here we go. Okay, so right now, all right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's only a 4-second delay, Michael.
It's it's a small delay, but I think for some reason, I dragged it over on the right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm not sure why that happens.
I don't know. But I've got it. I just checked it, and my screen in YouTube is 4-second delay. All right, that was a nice 80 pointer. Yeah, thought about that. We should keep it. Yep. So there's that low we took out at 69. Let's see what happens now. I should have just stayed at 75, huh? SPYs still look like it's going down.
Gold. Holy cow.
What is it doing?
Down 260.
Ooh.
Sell everything. They sell everything.
Yep, they do. Okay, here's that sweep of the low there.
IP's 3 minutes away.
Yep. Okay, let's see if that baby holds out. There was a break of that trend line. That's what I was waiting for. That's why I went short on my SPY puts. We are getting ready. Oh, oof. I was just going to say, we're getting ready to close a 15-minute candle. So I might consider getting out of these SPY puts just because we're probably going to bounce up, but I'm actually going to hold them, I think. Okay, we got a new 15 in 1 minute. Sitting on my hands until then. I think I should put a sign in front of my face that says, less is more. Less trading. Okay, so we took out the low. The 38.2 from, let's do this. From this guy to this guy, we're looking for a move down to 260. Let me set up an alert here.
Is your 15-minute bars up?
Yep.
352.
Numeric value. So 14,260. Play a sound. And pop up a dialog box. Okay, so there's that 15-minute pump up. Could have taken a long, I thought about it. Okay, so I'm going to take this guy. Actually, I'm just going to take him, put him right there. Let's see if I can even him up, and then I'll get rid of all those fucking other lines. So I'm going to call this 260. 260. And say, okay, right there. Oops, no, I don't want to do that. I just want to copy and then paste. Okay. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this one. Because we swept it. Now the question is, do we continue up? That's the big question right now. Let me get rid of this. There. I can get rid of this. I can get rid of that. Okay. So the question is, do we continue up? Because nothing goes in a straight line. We could have just came down. I still like that 260 area though. Kashkari speaks at 11:45. It's 10:32. So we took that earlier TCS trade for 41.5 points. Took a while to get there, but we got there. TCS had 53 points yesterday. I don't know if it's going to take another trade. If we continue down, then it's done for the day. Right now, the only thing I got is if we move up here to the 21 EMA, we could maybe do something with that.
Move that up at 7.
445. The 21 EMA, the 2-minute 21. Yep.
Yeah.
Let's-
2, right?
Yep. Okay. So now my arrows are aligned on my chart, so I don't have to look up. Okay, right now this is so far just a 15-minute move up, and we still have 9 minutes to go. So I'll take a short if we come back down into the hole. I know it's not ideal. I could take, well, could do something like that. That's based on the 1-minute chart. Oh, it might even look better over on the 1 minute. There you go. Just got a green crossover on the 514 system. Damn it, I was going to take that long at 424. Yeah, would have been a good one. But we still have 8 minutes to go. So, you know, if you're going to take that long, you take your 10 to 20 points and call it good. Because right now we just got a retest of bear target 1, which is right here. Okay, 15-minute gap is filled. I'm debating whether I want to reload SPY.
You said you had the 665.
Yep.
50%.
Yeah. I would have liked if we would have came up to the 48 EMA, but we didn't make it there. But we did test pre-market low, and that was the first test of it. We kind of rejected, but I don't know if they're done with this move up yet. So I'm going to just sit on my hands. Okay. If we close up here in the next 19 seconds, TCS might be preparing for another trade upward. So I'm just going to sit on my hands here. Yep. So if we continue on this path, TCS will take a long in a minute 35. Potentially could take a long, I should say. It's not everyone's. There's too many variables. I just lowered TCS to take one contract, not two. I don't like the counter trend move, actually. Okay, 2 minutes. Yep. So watching the 2 minutes, see if we can close above 477. I'll take that long. Ten seconds. Nope, did not take it. All the lights are green. So what I'd be watching, oops. What do you think about that trend line there, Michael?
The one there on the far right there.
Yeah, or this one. It's pretty steep.
Yep, that's what I drew.
Okay.
I saw from pull back a few times right into it.
Yeah.
Yep. I will throw on faster with the outside because I'm looking for a short, but I can't. I'm trying to see. Trying to be patient. Wait for. Right now, I'm breaking up. Yep. That's a 2 minute right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Broken up.
There's the 1 minute on the right hand side. So I even have the one on my chart down below, actually have it like this. Something more like that, because I wanted to get to the bar. We're just now getting ready to cross it. Really depends on how aggressive you want to be.
Just drew it from the wicks.
Yep. Oh, wick to wick?
Yep.
Yeah, so you're...
From the low, caught that wick that you did there. Yeah.
Something like that?
That's it. So, yeah, it's on 2 minute there. It hasn't really crossed. 20 minutes.
See if we can come back here on this 1 minute, get a retest up here at 435. That might be interesting. Well, yeah, here's the short right here. I mean, 407. So we came above the 21 EMA and then back down. So you could actually have taken it right here at 21 and it was a legitimate trade. Okay, I wanted to get up a little higher. I'd like to get up around 7. There we go. Up here at 35 would be fine too. Oops. Oh, damn it. Oh, yeah, 35 was a better entry. Okay. That prior 15-minute candle is 472. Oh, yeah, that's too far. What I was looking for is the prior 15-minute, right? 472, because that's a long. Yep. Good thing I stopped out. Okay, I'm not real big fan of this 15-minute yet, unless we can get down below 10. All right, TCS took a long 32 point. Stop is too big. So I'll move him up.
Where's it long?
I got long at 41. It's going to take a stop here. I'm going to stop it out at right around 7 or 8. So it's going to take a 30 or 40 point stop here. I got to stop it because I don't like the setup.
Yeah.
Because this is where I wanted to go short, right at 10, below 10. So if we get below there, I'm going to flip flop. That's the current low of the 1225 is the current low of the current 15-minute candle. So I don't trust it. If that goes red like it is now, I don't want to be in a long. So I took that stop. And I'm going to take a short. This could easily go back up too. I mean, I might have to sit on my hands after this one. But I'd prefer to be in a short here than a long. Damn it. Yeah, I'm going to stay in the short. See if I can stay in it. Come on, let's go. Damn it. So from this move up, we're at the 61.8 here. We came down past the 70.2. We did not hit the 78.6 yet, which is right around 376. But this is the second time we took out the 61.8. What I'm hoping on is we can hold. Come on. Oh. Damn it. Couldn't hold that. ATR's 47. I got negative now. Damn it. $15-minute candle's green now. I don't like the short and I don't like the long.
Yeah, actually, I don't like it. Just you pop back up there to like 50.
We are staying below that trend line now. Come on, baby. If we close down, if we can get down to 78, 77, 78, I'll go to break even. There we go. And the thinking is because we hit the 78.6, so we didn't quite hit it yet. But if we hit it, then we could bounce up. There we go. We just hit it. I'll lock in a little bit more. I'll lock in something here. All right, I'm out. I'm going to shoot for 307. I might get taken out here again, too. Okay, on the 15-minute, you could do something like this and put a trend line up. Oh, you fucker. Look at that shit. Gosh damn. No, that's what you get. 45-point ATR. Now I got to wait. Okay, we bounced on that 78.6 on that move up. Oh, 3 minutes left on the 15. So I'm going to wait for this guy to close now. And he should give me my direction. Either that or I'll take the short down around, I don't know, 63. So 63. Actually, if we come back down, I would take the short. But 2 minutes, 39 seconds left. Okay, not really a big fan of that candle.
I have to distract myself for a second. Oh, there's a 15-minute inside bar.
Yep.
Hasn't triggered.
Nope. And it would trigger at 472.75.
Yep.
And I'm at 472 for that long.
Short would be basically an IB.
Yep. Come on, baby. Give me 72. In fact, just get up to 58 and I'd lock some in. If we get up to 58, I'll lock in to 50. At least lock in 10. Come on. One push up right now. There we go. A little bit higher. Come on. Oh. Okay, locked in 18. Yeah, got 16 out of it.
After 1 minute.
Say what?
You after 1 minute?
Yep. Yeah, the 1 minute weighted and the 5 minute 20 EMA, this guy, which is actually the 50 on the 2 minute.
Yep, correct.
That's the 1 minute weighted moving average and this guy are really close together almost always. Right now they're within a point or two. So 472 is a 15-minute inside bar. Probably going to get 20 points. I'll try it.
You have to get through the 1 minute.
Yeah, that's the question.
1, 2, 3, third rejection. Yep. I'm not sure on this.
It's actually two 15-minute inside bars. You know that, right?
Yep, the one and then that one.
Yep, back to back.
It's a double inside bar.
Do
Is that even more powerful?
yeah, the question is good morning, Audrey. Good morning, Audrey. Yeah, the question is yeah, exactly, double powerful. I don't think so. But I'm going to shoot for 20 points. Question is, should I do 2 contracts or just 1? That's really the only question.
Okay.
I'm going to shoot for 2.
This the one. Yep. Expect this trigger.
Yep.
15.
Come on, 15-minute. You know, we also just went up there and just retested the yesterday's low.
Yep, previous day.
Yep. I'm going to go to break even here just because I don't like it. It's counter trend. Oh, come on. Get up there. Just fill the gap. There we go.
Oh, there it goes.
92 is the target, right?
Yeah, mine's 93 and a quarter, but yeah.
Okay. I'm going to lock. Here we go. All right, good trade. Make sure I'm out of everything. All right, that was a nice solid 20-pointer. We had an 85 or 80-pointer. I mean, depending on how you placed your stops, could have got 100. I missed my, I should have just taken the 100. Just for the record, TCS took out 32. So it took 472.50 for 32 points. So today, 73 points. Michael. So for Tuesday, 73 points. Oops, sorry.
Five move back into the expected move range.
Okay.
They did their job, man. As you were calling earlier to come out and take out that previous low.
Yep.
Pick it up.
Yep. And now moving up. So here's TCS. It did take that long. It took a bit of a swoop down or move against you. It had an 84-point stop, and it looks like it got within 20 points, so 60 points against you. But it took there's first entry right here. It took 42 points, and then the second one took 32 for a total of 73, 2 wins. Which we played. That last trade I took, that prior one for 20 points before the inside bar, I actually took oops. That I actually took that when we came back up at the entry at 440, I took that for the 32. That was my goal. I don't think I got 32, but okay, so for the record, here's and I took out the percentages and stuff, but I took out TCS yesterday. I had 53 points. Today, 73, two trades, 2 wins. And total trades 4 for 4. And there you go. Here's
15-minute work.
Yeah, everything worked. Wow. Here's the months so far. January, roughly 660 points. February, 907 points. And so far, 126 points. Not too bad. 73 total trades, 61 winners, 12 losers, 34 winning days, 8 losing days. Not too bad. Oh.
If I'm correct, if you did all 3 of those trades.
All 3 months?
Yeah, all the 3 from the 5, 15, and
the minute. Yep.
Range.
Yep.
But if you did, like the way I played it, on the 5 minutes was a 20 and a 25.
Yep.
So they got 45 points there.
Yep.
You got 40 points on the 15 minutes because I just played it.
Yep. 20 and 20. Yep.
And then you lost 20 on the opening range.
Yep.
85, so a total of 65 points you got.
Yeah. Not bad.
Yeah, okay.
All right, we're above VWAP and heading up. Heading up. Here was that move that I like to play, but I was in 2 other trades, so right there. We crossed back above the 20-minute, 5-minute, 20-minute EMA or the 50 EMA and closed above it. You would have taken some heat at 82 down to 65, so 15, 17 points. But then you got your 20-40. I always play 20 points and 40 points, so that would be 503 and then 523. You would have actually got it in just 1 candle. It's a good way to pass evals too, taking that trade.
interesting that we are on the move down. We are not even up to 38.2 from like last night's open until for today's low.
Hmm.
Hmm.
3 minutes, 30 seconds on the 15. $570. See if we can get back above VWAP here.
Oh no, sorry.
561. Yep, 62. Close enough. Looking for a bounce here off this 5 EMA. Just kind of holding here. Minute 39 on the 15. Come on, get up there. There we go. Good take. New 15's out. Nope, not yet. 54 seconds. Okay, this high is 592. Yep, sweep the high. Come on, sweep the high. Oh, didn't even get the sweep of the high. Damn it.
Shit.
What? Oh, so fill the gap at 87.
You out of that trade, right?
Yep. Come on. Give me 13. Nope. Just taking small little 5-pointers, 10-pointers, whatever. Trying to get take profit trader up to about 500. I'm at 448 now. I need one more trade. But it doesn't look like we're going to get up. Come on. One time, get up to 10. There we go. All right. 588. I'm good. I got another day I need, and then $500, and then I'll pass it. So no.
Is that a try to pass eval?
Yep. So I'm good. Audrey, how you doing today? Did you get any? Are you green? Okay, tomorrow I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to play no matter what happens tonight. I'm just going to play. I'm going to play TCS up and down, however it plays, and then try to keep my trading to a minimum. Yep.
I showed some restraint today.
Yeah.
About 100 what was it? 130 bucks in each account.
Okay. Yeah, the hardest part is just to get to your buffer up there, right?
Yeah, I'm just trying to get up to.
Yep. Then you switch over to minis and
don't mind actually playing minis, but not in this one. So not right.
Yeah, not with 50-point ATRs. We're actually down to 27 right now on the 1 minute.
The 1 minute is interesting. Like when the 5 minutes was up at like 80.
Yep.
The 1 minute was like 28.
Yeah.
It wasn't bad, but it was still more volatile than 28. You know.
Yeah.
Just felt like it wasn't.
Yep.
So, but yeah, definitely will go to minis. I'm just trying to today if I'd done minis, I think I probably would have got it to 20.
Okay. That's all I got.
I've actually got to hop off. I've got somebody who's coming to pick us up.
Okay.
Um,
Yep, I'm done. I'm done. Okay. I'm done anyway, so it's time to get off. 11 o'clock, 11:20. It's time to stop trading. So, all right. We'll chat later. Everybody else, see you tomorrow. Same time, same place.
all right.
Yep.
Jumping off here quickly.
All right. So we'll go from there and see how tomorrow we open. And I will, what I did is I have this running and then I'm just showing it on my system using Replicanto to take all my trades. But not too bad. Shabby today. Not too shabby. Okay. We'll talk tomorrow. Thank you. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. If anybody's here, you want to give a little like on the button, that would be great. And if you didn't like it, then don't press the button. And thank you.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rise and let's climb, let's climb.